Hello everyone, welcome back another video. I am Vaibhav. Today date is 22 August of 2022 and our today's video topic is array list. So before going towards the array list, let's see what is meant by array list. So array list is nothing but it is a class which is implemented by from list interface, and that list interface is implemented from collection, and those are all stored within the package that is java.util package. All those things are stored within a java.util package. So array list is nothing but all we know array. So array is the collection of similar data types, and in that case array are having some specific size, but array list does not having a specific size. That means within our array we can suppose I can giving a size of 10 for the array. That means I am not able to store 11 elements or not able to store 9 elements. That means I am not able to store more or less element as per their array size. But in our array list we are able to store more elements or less elements. There is not any specified size for the array. We can easily increasing or decreasing. That means our array list is a growable. That means we are definitely change the size of array. So change the size of array list. The syntax for the array list we can write as a class array list, and we take same example. We are writing an example like as a class array list implement list. So within that curly braces we are writing some more constructor and methods within that curly braces. That is the syntax for our array list. After that, let's we see the next scenario is that what are the major properties of array list. So array list, first main property is that array list works on indexing. That means as we see our array works on indexing. That means there are indexing for the element like starts from 0 up to the n. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As we are putting the value within that array, it gets or accept the value as per their indexing. That is the first point, which is same as the array. That means array follow the indexing. Another point, that is array can allow a duplicate elements. In our previous video we see the difference between list and set. So sets does not allowing the duplicate element, but array allow the duplicate element. That means we can write a same elements like within our array list. We can write as one again and again. So there is not any restriction for the duplicate elements as the restricted in set. So array does not having that restriction. We can write duplicate element within that array list. One more important point is that array does not follow or array does not require the similar type of data. That means in our array we can store only similar type of data structured elements. That means I am creating an array for creating array like A. That time we are giving the specific data. That means we are write as int A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we are only storing that element which are having a similar data type, that is the integer or any type of data type like string, integer, long, double. So that is in array, but in our array list there is not any restriction for storing the data type. We are able to store different types of data type within a array list. After that, the next point is that our array lists are follow a sequential order. That means as we giving the input to the array, it takes that input sequentially. That means I am putting first element, it put on the 0th index, and after that it put on first, second, third, and vice versa. So there was it follow the sequential order. and when we are getting element from the array, that time also it gave us value within the sequence, like from 0 index first, then first index, then second index, then third index, like that it get and reward the values within the sequential manner. After that, another point is that array is a non-synchronized. The synchronization concept we have seen in our previous video. Synchronization means within the process there is only one thread can created, and that thread can perform at a one time. But within our array list, there is a array list does not support the synchronization. That means we are create multiple threads at a time and they perform their operation at a time within the array list. That is the one more important parameter of array list. And again the last one important parameter is that array does not support the sorting order. That means as we giving suppose I am giving a input as integer 10 and then I am giving the input as a 2. So in this case there is does not follow sort. That means there is a 2 value is less than 10, that's why it's put on first position, and after that it put a 10, that is not performing within the array list. It can implement the sequence of getting the index and it put the sequential element. It does not sorting itself within the linked list, within the array list. That is the overall about array list. Thank you.